Hi friends! Welcome back to Utwashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're happy to welcome you all to our vegetable garden. We all know that plants need water to grow, and sometimes watering plants takes a lot of time. And when you're away for vacation, plants thrive for water. In this episode, we are going to share our experience in setting up a drip irrigation system for raised beds. Drip irrigation reduces water wastage and water plants at their roots and keeps the plants nice and healthy. We have connected a 50 feet long hose to main water outlet. We have also connected the other end of the hose to a timer. This is a basic timer system. Set start time and how long you want to water the plants, and for how many times you want to water in a day. This also has a manual option and delay feature. Right now, it's 7:31 a.m. and we have set the timer for 6:30 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. for 15 minutes. We have a list of all these products in the description down below, so make sure to check it out. To control the water pressure, we are going to use a 25 psi regulator. We connect a two-way shut-off value to the psi regulator and quick connector to the shut-off value. And inserted the tubing into the quick connector. We have secured the tubing on the ground using garden staplers. We have cut and connected the tubing using a flat T pipe connector and connected different kinds of nozzles. Here we have a used automazing nozzle. Here we have used an atomizing nozzle. In this bed, we have used adjustable dipper. For the wildflower bed, we're using the sprinkler atomizing nozzle. And also we have some soak hose for marigold plants. In this bed, we have used some fountain nozzles. We hope you enjoyed this episode in our gardening series. Catch you soon in another gardening related video. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!